Please give us a brief introduction.
Myself Manashmita Maharana.
Myself the wrong English. Upon I am कि my name is myself the wrong English. Myself to start with.
I am Manashmita Maharana. I belong to Khordha district. Currently I am residing at Bhubaneswar. I completed my post graduation from College of Agriculture OUT in Agriculture Biotechnology, and my UG also from that college, College of Agriculture OUT. I completed my intermediate career from BJP Junior College, and I completed my HSC from Government Girls School, Union Bhubaneswar.
Okay. So, इटा कौन अपन जो इंट्रोडक्शन का दे ले, इधरे अपन दे ले कौन ना पूरा एजुकेशन का कर ले, ठीक है सर? इंट्रोडक्शन आजकल की पचास नांती नाटा एनोमस सब कुछ होती, तो सवाल कुछ होती नाटा का भी ओके, और अपन करो किसी कौन से आइडेंटिफिकेशन ये भाई, without telling your name, okay, and about your family and all, you give your introduction. तो अपन से कौन दे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन टे? फर्स्ट तो नेम जो तू दिया होनी तो ना का अपन कहा दरकार नहीं ना कहला परे तो क्या तो मना कुछ ना करनी you start with present highest qualification I am a postgraduate in sociology from a university which I completed in a year सेटा वाला highest qualification only highest पूरा का दरकार नहीं तब अपने थी बहुत बार करता से था तो street above होएगा highest qualification. तापरे present status. Currently I am preparing for competitive exam. Currently I am working as this and this. जो भी experience थी वो. तापरे street अभी होएगा. Previously I was working as this and this for this company. Street अभी वो होएगा. कुछ बोल. तापरे ऐसी हो achievements and hobbies. My hobbies include A and A. गोटे hobby दले बोलो. My hobby is A. और लास्ट में जब भी अपना अचीवमेंट किसी देखो चलती जो अचीवमेंट अपना डीएफ में देवे ठीक है शेयर करेंगे दैट आई हैड सिक्योर्ड स्कॉलरशिप कि जहां अपना अचीवमेंट आई क्वालिफाइड यूजीसी नेट ओके कि आईआर नेट से अपना कर पाएंगे कुछ बोल अचीवमेंट
ओके सर
तो इंट्रोडक्शन का इट है तो ठीक है ओके सो टेल मी वन थिंग you have done your studies from OUT, right?
Yes, sir.
What was your discipline?
In Agriculture Biotechnology.
Agriculture
Biotechnology.
Okay. So now you are interested for forest service.
Yes, sir.
What were your optionals?
Agriculture and botany.
Agriculture and botany. Okay. So you have done a specialized study of agriculture. Why are you interested to join a general line like civil service? Don't you think that your specialized knowledge which you have acquired on agriculture that will be wasted?
Yes sir, I acquired my specialization knowledge in PG career, but while doing my research work I feel that many scientists are there in institutions and many students are there and many thesis works are already done and many are going on. So my guide is a all India level scientist and he was guiding me in research work and said that many varieties are released but no variety or in my case 2 or 3 varieties are in all India trial. So I just thought that many works are done and out of all how much are product oriented. So I just want to be a part of that lab to field program. Means a variety developed in lab and while going to the field its result almost deteriorated. Deteriorated means we are doing in a lab condition but in field condition result is different. So I decided that many things are produced in college career or lab condition, but many things remain there. They didn't reach farmers level. So there is requirement of a policy implementation. Many things are there, but requirement of a proper way to reach them. so I decided that if things are done, things are done properly in a proper way, so it can be better. Means lab can be a great part of farmers' life. So I decided that a part of our administrative program, so I can reach through this our product, our lab product to farmers level. So I decided to administrative, and similarly I started my preparation.
Okay, means you want basically the practical aspect, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So you used a word now, lab to field.
Yes.
What is that domain called? From lab to field?
It's a agriculture extension.
Agriculture extension. Okay. Can you tell me what are the principles of agriculture extension?
Many principles are there.
5 or 6 you can tell me.
Principle of cooperation, principle of mutual understanding, principle of mutual help, principle of participation.
It is generally said that agriculture extension, it should be for the whole family.
Yes, sir.
Whole family principle. Can you tell me what is this whole family principle?
Whole family principle means involvement of all the people of a family. Means if we consider a farm at farm level, male person involved in cultivation work, female person can involve in plowing or after post harvest technology. Other adult person also get involved in other work. So it's a whole family principle, means they involve together and learn together and get their income together.
Right. So you said you have taken biology, no? Your optionals for this
Agriculture and botany.
agriculture and botany you have taken. Okay. Right. Why did you take these subjects? Any specific reason?
So agriculture is my domain subject, and forestry is a part of that plant life. So agriculture is a whole concept of forestry. So first I choose agriculture, then botany. One of my personal reason was that agriculture and botany syllabus was quite similar, only one or two section was different. So I decided that if I take botany, then I need to prepare less after agriculture. So I decided to take botany.
Okay. This was your reason.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us come to your home district. Tell me something about your home district. Which is your home district?
So I belong to Khordha district.
You belong to Khordha district. Okay. Tell me something about what you know about Khordha.
Khordha as a district formed in 1993. Previously it was in Puri, then it is divided into Puri, Khordha and Nayagarh. If we take topography, it has normally two types of topography. One is deltaic alluvium, another is lateritic alluvium. In deltaic alluvium, 3 blocks are there: Balyanta, Balipatna and Chilka. And in lateritic alluvium, 7 blocks are there, like Tangi, Nayagarh, Khordha, etc. And if we consider the economy here, main occupation of the people is cultivation and also business. As Bhubaneswar come under this, many hubs are there, so people come here for many purposes, and many tourist places are there, like Atri, Borunei, Ramachandi, etc. And
Okay. So recently, India has done very well in hockey after so many years.
Yes,
and lot of people are giving credit to government of Odisha for that. Can you tell me why? How is government of Odisha related to the success in hockey?
So in Bhubaneswar, for hockey preparation, many scope are there. Like in KIT University, the practice is going on in a high level, and in also Kalinga Stadium. And government of Odisha is also encouraging the people, encouraging the students to take part in hockey or other sports as discipline, and also providing many encouraging situations to get involved in current in if we take the current Olympic game. Government Odisha government decided to give monetary incentive if they take part in final section. So in this way, monetary and also preparation level, government is providing scope. So Bhubaneswar becoming a hockey hub for this.
For the last few years, main problem was with sponsorship. So government of Odisha has sponsored both women's hockey team and men's hockey team.
Yes,
so paisa ta milu nathila, se
Yes, sir.
paisa ta provide koruchhanti
Thank you.
government of Odisha. So that is helping the athletes a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. So tell me something what you know about India's performance in this Olympics. Keteta medal ame pailu aru if you can tell me ko domain ram se medal sura paichu. और यदि अपना को मने अच्छी like the people who have won the medals. कितने medals पाई होंगे तो?
So total 37.
हाँ 37 medals?
Yes, sir.
Olympics?
Yes, sir. 37.
नहीं ये पूरा basic गेम्स वाला देखिए total 7 medals अपन पाई हैं तो 730 ठीक है जी 730 पाई हैं এটা সবটু অধিক এতে আমি কেবে পাই নথিলু আগুন ম্যাক্সিমাম আমি 6টা পাইଥିଲି বাট 7টি আমি কেবে পাইনো এটা সবটু ম্যাক্সিমাম আর কিয়ে পাইছন্তি তাଙ୍କ না can you tell the names?
So recently or 2 days before, Neeraj Chopra got gold medal in javelin throw.
Yes.
And Bajrang Punia got bronze medal in wrestling. Mirabai Channu also got in 108 kg category.
Okay. How? 7 জন না?
Yes, sir.
তো 7 you just name গোটে তো কইলা বড় wrestling রে গোটে আসলা
Thank you.
Mirabai Channu से কোথা পেয়েছে?
So weightlifting.
weightlifting okay. তারপরে আর কোন কোন মেডালস পেয়েছেন ব্যাডমিন্টন কিছু
So hockey, men's hockey team,
মেন্স হকি টিম কোন পেয়েছে which medal
bronze medal.
bronze medal আচ্ছা okay তারপরে and did we get anything in badminton which medals have পেয়েছে PV Sindhu পেয়েছেন medal
Yes, sir. PV Sindhu got the Nobel.
কোন কোন মেডেল পেয়েছেন gold silver bronze
So I don't remember.
okay fine. So जो ओलंपिक्स में हमें इतने बड़े बड़ा मिशन जब ओलंपिक्स टॉप की मैक्सिमम की रैंक वन में की अच्छी
China.
हाँ तो हमारा चाइना रा पॉपुलेशन ऑलमोस्ट कंपेरेबल
Yes,
अब
sir.
इस वर्ष पर हमारा पॉपुलेशन ताकत वो दिखाई जो
Yes, sir.
so population wise we are almost same
Yes, sir.
किंतु what is the difference कहीं की हमें इतनी की you know 6-7 मेडल पाया पे हमको असुविधा होची whereas China इतने बड़े मेडल से पाई पर होची any reason that you can suggest China
So okay.
has is always since the top rate होती top 3 तक होती
Yes, sir.
ताकर population our population प्राय same
Yes, sir.
or comparable exactly same knowledge my question is ताकर एमती कौन टा करा होची कि से माने एते गोल्ड मेडल पाउचंती whereas our performance टा एते भलो रहू ଆଉ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସକୁ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଦିଆଗଲା ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଟୁ ବେସିକାଲି ଟେକ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍, ଡୁ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ, ଓକେ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଲାଭ ହେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ ଆହୁରି ମେଡାଲ୍ସ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ, ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ସ ନେବେ, ହାଉ ଟୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ ଦ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର?
So for this, first to categorize that which sports we have to focus. So after this, as per the sports requirement, we need to focus on infrastructure. For any type of sport, the specific infrastructure need to be that in particular stadium or particular place where the students will prepare. So for this awareness need to be created. Normally people in our condition, they from the childhood career, they force their children to focus on more studies. So there is a requirement of awareness creation that sports can be your career. So if we instill this mind perpetuation in children from the childhood, then it would be a great achievement for us, for our students and for our children in future.
Okay. You are from Khordha.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me at least 3 or 4 great personalities like poets, freedom fighters, etc. from Khordha? Literary figures. Any 3. Any 3. But that contribution कौन?
So poet.
हाँ, poets भी कहीं करेंगे, literary writers कहीं करेंगे, freedom fighters कहीं करेंगे. How anything we can say?
So first one was Boxi Jagabandhu Vidyadhar Brahmava Rai Mahapatra.
Okay.
That a great role in Paika Vidroh. Next.
अच्छा, तो फिर जॉन हेलर, तो फिर एटेंटिव वाले निजोर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनालिटीज एटेंटिव देखिए.
Again.
What are the problems in your district? Common problem तो सबोटी अच्छी unemployment ये से गुड़ा कौन थी? Specific problems of your district. अपना तो जिला का particular problem which may be which is only for your district only. Say that.
Sir, if in cultivation purpose, I think I normally see in my village also it's a irrigation problem. Irrigation problem means so water problem is there, so people dependent upon the canal irrigation type situations, and in summer days canal situations got dried up, so people face problem for this. And I have also seen that sometimes soil also got so dried up that cracks will develop in our condition, so irrigation problem is there, sir. And also there is mandi problem, means marketing problem is also there. People go a long way by taking their products for marketing, and if a linkage will work properly, then it will help surely. And third problem is that
Okay. Can lift irrigation be successful in Khordha? Lift irrigation.
yes, sir.
Suppose you are asked that you suggest some alternative to this canal irrigation, which you are saying is having some problem. Alternative to canal irrigation. Okay. What would you suggest? Should it be micro irrigation or lift irrigation, or what would be better for Khordha and why?
Sir, in Khordha area many plantations are there, so micro irrigation than micro irrigation, lift irrigation can be more successful, because micro irrigation in micro irrigation there will be more expenditure, and as the water requirement of the plant or the tree is high, so micro irrigation can't enough for this, so lift irrigation, I think so.
So now coming to a situational question, since you are interested for Odisha Forest Service, suppose you are selected and after some years you are posted as SCF in a place. Okay.
Yes.
So you get the information that some forest, smugglers, wood smugglers, they are smuggling, they are cutting some trees in your area under your jurisdiction. Okay. And your junior officer, let's say forest ranger, has called you to give the information. According to the information, they also have arms and ammunition with them, weapons such as that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what were you going to do? Say situation, right? Will you go to the place, spot and confront them, or what will you do?
Sir, if I'll be posted as SCF, then from the beginning I think to channelize my system, means by different way. First is by creating group or leadership quality among the villagers, so they can be used as a informer for you. So if the village people got if village people involved in this, they have the better information about the situations, because they know what is going on in village or nearby area properly than the officers. And if they give the right informations to us or to our junior officers, then we can plan how to deal with it. Means confronting straight may not be the solution directly, because they have arms and ammunitions. So we will prepare a plan how to cover up them by different way, and for this we can take the help of villagers. And before this we need to create that trust among the villagers that we are here to help you to protect our forest. So if we plan by this, then surely we can confront them.
Okay. So last question to you.
Yes.
Suppose you are in charge of recruitment, but बहुत important project है अच्छी forest department रा.
Yes, sir.
तार नहीं गोटे लोगों को choose करियर अच्छी. आउ से दीटा candidate अच्छी. गोटे candidate बहुत ही honest अच्छी. किंतु उसके efficient कामोटा आदाय करी करेंगे, कामोटा ठीक रे करी करेंगे. Okay. आउ तो actually से highly efficient कामोटा निश्चित होगा. किंतु से honest हो. हेला. One is efficient but not honest. One is honest but not efficient. You have to choose any one among the two. कौन आप कहाँ को choose करेंगे? और कहीं की?
So I'll go for honest.
जो language में question पच्चर रहो, से language में answer दे. मोड़े पच्चर नहीं, तो मोड़े answer.
Okay. So most honest और efficient को
नहीं, दीटा quality नहीं, दीजना पड़ेगा.
honest and not efficient.
ताको choose करेंगे.
Okay.
चित्त काम करी करेंगे.
सर काम सर रिक्रुटमेंट रे काम समस्त को भी जाना भी न थाए, तो यहाँ ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग रे तो एफिशिएंसी से बढ़े, प्रोजेक्ट वर्क एक्सेट्रा. तो यहाँ गोटे प्रोसेस रे गो थ्रू हेले ही बेटर ट्रेनिंग पाइले ही बेटर नॉलेज भी आसीबो और एक्सपीरियंस भी बढ़ियो. सो सर ऑनेस्ट गोटे पर्सन जो वर्क से ऑनेस्ट अच्छी एफिशिएंसी विल वर्क से ऑनेस्ट अच्छी, बाय ट्रेनिंग ही विल get that efficiency, no doubt. So I'll go so honest or not efficient को.
Okay, that is okay. So that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So
So mic take that.
mic take that.